In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a website on GoDaddy the right way, because in many cases, what you really want is to unpublish the site and then turn off auto renew so you stop being billed for it. This is a quick and simple process, and it can save you from paying for a website you no longer need. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Now let's get started. First, go to your GoDaddy account and open My Products. This is where all of your domains, hosting, and website services are managed in one place. Once you're inside My Products, look for the Websites plus Marketing section. Find the website you want to remove and click Manage next to it. After that, click Edit Website. This opens the Website Builder dashboard for that specific site. From here, look to the top right corner and click Settings. In the Settings menu, you should see an option to Unpublish. This is an important step because GoDaddy often uses unpublishing instead of a true delete option for websites built with Websites plus Marketing. Click Unpublish and confirm your choice. This will take your website offline so visitors can no longer access it. If your goal is to completely stop using the site, this is the first major step. Just keep in mind that unpublishing removes the site from public view, but it does not always cancel the plan. So the next step is just as important. Go back to your GoDaddy account and open Renewals and Billing. Then click the Subscriptions tab. Here, you'll see the active services tied to your account. Find the website plan you want to stop, click on it, and then choose Cancel it. Cancel Auto Renewal. This makes sure your plan does not renew again in the future. That means you're not just hiding the site, you're also preventing surprise charges later on. Always double check that the auto renew status has changed successfully before you leave the page. If you want to be extra careful, review your other connected products too, especially if your website has a domain name or add-on services attached. Sometimes a website plan is only one part of the full setup, and you may want to manage the domain separately depending on what you're keeping. And that's it. Your GoDaddy website is now unpublished, and the auto-renew has been turned off so you can avoid future billing. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more GoDaddy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.